Hello everyone. What do you call this? A photocopy machine or a Xerox machine? You must be wondering that why I'm mentioning a Xerox machine over here. Okay, let me be a bit more specific. What is this fever medicine called? Is this crocin? Or what do you call this sticky adhesive bandage? We call it as band-aid, isn't it? Friends, all these names are so common that we consider them as a common name, but you'll be surprised to know that all these are brand names. Do you know that Band-Aid is owned by Johnson and Johnson Company and it is a brand name? So friends, in this medicine world, there are numerous other medicines also which are so popular and common that their names are considered in generic terms as common name. So in this video, friends, I'll be letting you know some of the famous medicines, brand names, their generic names, and also their uses. So let us begin this interesting video. The first drug, the brand name is Avil. Its generic name is phenyramine and its uses are to treat allergic reaction. Now the next drug, the brand name is Pheneragon. Its generic name is promethazine and it is used to treat nausea and vomiting after surgery. Now the next one is the brand name is Augmentin. Its generic name consists of two salts, that is amoxicillin and clavulanic acid, and it is used as an antibiotic. Now the next drug, the common brand name is Brufen and its generic name is ibuprofen. It is used as an analgesic and anti-inflammatory drug. Now the next brand name drug is Buscopan. Its generic name is hyoscine butyl bromide. Its uses are to treat spasm. Now the next drug, its brand name is Decadron. Its generic name is dexamethasone and it is used to treat inflammation, allergy, asthma, and arthritis. Now, the next drug, the famous brand name is Deriphyllin. Its generic name consists of two salts, that is theophylline and etophylline, and it is used to treat asthma and COPD. Now, the next brand name drug is MSET. Its generic name is ondansetron and it is used to treat nausea and vomiting. Now the next drug, the brand name is Ecosprin. Its generic name is aspirin and it is used in blood clot prevention. Let us move on to the next one. The brand name is Hcot. Its generic name is hydrocortisone and it is used to treat allergy, inflammation, and multiple sclerosis. Now, the next brand name of the drug is Lori. Its generic name is diazepam and it is used in the treatment of anxiety, muscle spasm, and seizures. Now, the next one is the brand name is Palm. Its generic name is pralidoxime and its uses is as an antidote in organophosphorus poisoning. Now let us move on to the next drug. The brand name is Perinorm. Its generic name is metoclopramide and its uses are to treat nausea and vomiting. Let us move on to the next one. The brand name is Stemetil. Its generic name is prochlorperazine and its uses is to treat nausea, vomiting and dizziness. The next brand name drug is Superspas. Its generic name consists of two salts, that is diclofenac and dicyclomine, and its uses are to treat abdominal pain. The next drug brand name is Tegretol. Its generic name is carbamazepine, and its uses are to treat epilepsy. Let us move on to the next one. The brand name is Voveran. Its generic name is diclofenac, and it is used to treat pain and inflammation. So, friends, that was all about the brand name, generic name, and uses of some of the famous medicines. Friends, I hope that next time you'll never get confused in the brand names and the generic names of these drugs. So, that was all about this video. If you found this video useful, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and also do subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed it. Thanks for watching.